Stop searching for the iPad 12 every single day because the wait is finally over for Apple fans. It feels like we have been waiting forever for news on the most famous tablet in the world. I think many people started to wonder if this device was even real or just a rumor. Well, you can finally relax now. We have some solid answers for you today. Fresh details have arrived from very trusted sources like Mark Gurman. He has revealed some massive secrets about the upcoming launch. The first thing you need to know is that the iPad 12 is completely finished. It is not just a plan on paper anymore. The entire manufacturing process is 100% complete. Right now, thousands of these tablets are sitting in warehouses. They're just waiting for the official launch day to arrive. Reports confirm that the tablet is ready to drop very soon. This is amazing news for the entire Apple community. However, you might be wondering why it was missing for so long. The delayed release date confused many buyers recently. Apple hosted a huge event for new gadgets not long ago. Everyone expected the base iPad 12 to be the star of that show. But the tablet was nowhere to be seen. At first, this felt like a very bad sign. People thought there were factory issues or massive delays. But if you look closely, this delay makes total sense. It is actually a very smart marketing move by Apple. Right now, Apple is focusing on a different product called the MacBook Neo. They are pushing this brand new laptop everywhere. They want all the attention on that specific budget device. Launching a cheap iPad 12 at the same time would be a huge mistake, would create unnecessary competition between their own products. Think about it from a business perspective. If both came out at once, buyers would be confused. They would not know which one to purchase. Tech reviewers would also have to split their focus. Apple wants the MacBook Neo to have the entire spotlight for now. Because of this, they simply paused the iPad 12 release. The base iPad is already very famous, does not need a huge introduction. To sell well, delaying the tablet protects the sales of the new laptop. Now, let's talk about what is inside this new device. The internal changes are going to be huge. The latest leaks match everything we expected. The most important upgrade is the processor. The iPad 12 will use the A18 chip. This is a massive leap forward for the base model. A faster chip makes the tablet feel very snappy and smooth. However, speed is not the only benefit here. Processor brings Apple Intelligence to the cheapest iPad. Right now, almost every other modern iPad supports these AI tools. The base model was the only one left behind. Giving the iPad 12 the A18 chip solves this problem. You will finally get access to smart writing tools and the image playground features. Apple considers AI to be the future of their company. Upgrading this budget tablet for AI is a mandatory step for them. Some rumors said the tablet might get an A19 chip. That is very unlikely. The new MacBook Neo uses the A18 Pro chip. Putting a newer A19 chip in a cheaper iPad does not make sense. It would ruin Apple's pricing strategy. The A18 is the perfect fit for this device. It can easily handle your daily tasks, movies, casual games. Along with this processor, we expect a big memory boost to 8 GB of RAM. This is a brilliant upgrade, as more RAM means your tablet can handle heavy multitasking. You won't have to worry about apps closing in the background anymore. Furthermore, Apple Intelligence needs extra RAM to work well. This memory boost will keep your tablet running fast for many years. It makes the device a much better value for your money. You are getting pro-level power in a budget package. While the inside is getting a makeover, the outside will remain mostly identical. Apple already did a major redesign in 2022 with flat edges and the landscape camera. They have no reason to change the successful look so quickly. You will still see the familiar 11-inch screen and slim bezels. This is actually a good thing. Your old cases and accessories will still fit perfectly. The display will remain non-laminated to keep the price low. This makes it easier and cheaper to fix if the screen breaks. That is a huge bonus for parents and students. Even without a fancy old screen, the iPad 12 looks like an incredible deal. It is shaping up to be the best budget tablet available anywhere. By adding the strong A18 chip and 8 GB of RAM, Apple is making this device truly future-proof. Usually, budget tablets start to feel slow after a year. Hey, this one will stay fast for a long time. It offers a perfect mix of power and affordability. If you have an old iPad with a home button, this is the perfect time to upgrade. You get the modern look and the newest software, get enough power for the next 5 years. My best opinion about this product is that it is a total game changer for budget buyers. Apple is finally giving everyone access to high-end AI. They are doing this without forcing them to pay pro prices. It is a strategic win for Apple and a massive value win for us. We expect it to hit the shelves via a press release between April and May of 2026. The wait is almost over. It was definitely worth it. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.